Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a written exam. First, understand the exam structure and what topics it covers. Next, create a realistic study schedule, breaking down your material into manageable chunks. Gather all your resources, like textbooks and class notes, to ensure you have everything you need. This initial planning phase is crucial for setting yourself up for success and reducing stress. Once you have your plan, it's time to engage with the material. Don't just passively read, actively summarize what you learn. Create flashcards or use practice questions to test your memory and identify weak areas. Try explaining complex ideas to someone else or even to yourself, as this helps reinforce your knowledge and highlights any gaps. Practice is essential for written exams. Take full-length practice tests under timed conditions to get a feel for the actual exam environment. After each practice session, thoroughly review your answers, especially the incorrect ones. Understanding why you made a mistake is more valuable than just knowing the right answer. Use this feedback to refine your study focus. On exam day, proper preparation extends beyond just studying. Ensure you get a good night's sleep, ideally around 8 hours, to keep your mind sharp. Eat a nutritious meal before the exam to sustain your energy and concentration. Arrive at the test venue early with all necessary items, like pens and identification, to avoid any last-minute rush or stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.